Hello, it's Big Cheds. Thank you for being here. This is part of the daily education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. Of course, you can find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and on Bitcoin Live, where I am a founding analyst. I wanted to take a look at a tweet that I just put out where the price is now forming an outside bar on the daily chart. Now, we've been following the price after the range low recapture and observing the bounce into the lower high structure. Setting the table, we have my tweet from a few days ago here on the 23rd. That's a week ago. And this is the visual where we had the bounce into the 4H MA200 underside. Decent candidate for daily lower high, but still early. Now, the price did not, in fact, pause there. It formed one more leg up and has since been working on this next daily lower high target. We can see on the chart the daily chart where we have the high from May 24th. We have the high from June 25th. And what is most logical now is another lower high following the range low recapture, consolidating back down into the range, finding support, and then pushing back up and attempting to break out. That is what this tweet is talking about. Now that we have the daily outside bar at a logical lower high spot, as the price looks to continue consolidation. It's in a choppy range. We're in the picture of the weekly price above the EMA 8, the price in the high and tight weekly consolidation, and the significance of the outside bar is somewhat notable in that it comes after a price advance, after a range low recapture, and essentially right at overhead resistance in a falling supply structure. So this tweet basically points out that this outside bar is giving us pretty good evidence that the price will pause here, will head back into the range. And at that point, we're going to start to look for a higher low. We have a new low established. We want to see a higher low somewhere in this range, and then the price will likely continue and test the top of the channel and continue from there with the weekly consolidation. This is part of the daily education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. Check me out, of course, on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live as well, where I'm a founding analyst. Folks, thank you so much. I appreciate you being there here. I hope you're enjoying all my videos, and I will talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.